Ah, poopy. Range just going faster than the hands. Today's been such a fucking wreck, and nothing bad has happened, but I've managed to miss several opportunities to do this. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck's sake. What the fuck? And now I'm on the floor! Nice. So yeah, I've missed practically every opportunity to do this stream today. Now we're here, and I'm probably going to have to leave early, which is fine. No one likes this. No one likes this. But it has to be done. If it isn't done, shame. Well, that's obviously not going to occur, is it? Anyway. Today we are doing pointer arithmetic. What the hell is going on there? Oh, I reset it. Okay. Without even braining, I reset my arm rest position. Hi, pointer arithmetic. In the C++ primer version 5, parts whatever. There are no page numbers on this file, so I can't tell you what page it is. Pointers that address array elements can all use the iterator operations. Good. So what we are going to be doing today is, I don't know what the fuck I've done. NVIDIA. If anyone from NVIDIA is watching this video, which I'm sure you aren't, every time I update your drivers, the settings that I have for my monitors, not just the settings, but like all of the settings for all of my monitors get reset every time I install NVIDIA drivers. And I have to do them again every time. And it is such a fucking pain in the ass. Anyway, continuing. So what we're going to be doing is using pointers to array elements, and then using the pointer to the array elements to navigate through the array. Very fun stuff. This is very basic stuff as well. Should have been earlier up in the handbook, I feel. Welcome to the Mouth Noise stream. I didn't spill any tea, by the way. If anyone was wondering, when I fell off my chair, I didn't spill any tea, and that glass you heard breaking in the background is not broken, so it's fun. Int star IP equals array, equivalent to int star IP equals and array 0. Okay, so if you initialize a pointer to an array, it is default initialized to the first position. Okay, yeah, no, we covered this, quote unquote, covered this last video. We didn't really cover it, but we did kind of cover it. We kind of covered it. Can't believe I dropped my phone as well. Jesus. What does this give us? Is this going to be messy? There's a lot of endls. Yeah, we're going to have to comment that shit out. Every time. Every time it does that. And never do I want it to do that. You ever think that I was put in the beginning of a large comment block so that I didn't have to, you know, so I could comment out a block and not like instantly there. So what they've got is a basic bit of code which allocates a pointer to the beginning and a pointer just past the end of an array. And then the result of adding an integral value to a pointer must be a pointer to an element in the same array or a pointer just past the end of the array. So with respect to an array, you cannot go bananas with the pointers. Good. Int star p equals array plus SZ. SZ equals 5. Alright, okay. Right, okay, so int star p equals array plus SZ. SZ being a constant expression size t 5, an int value 5, which would put it 2 past the end of the array, which is memory, not covered by the array. And as we mentioned previously, I think I read that wrong last time. I think it was the one past the end, but it's not. It's one past the end. Past the end. It's the 5th position, not the. Wait, no, hang on. No, that is one past the end. Yay. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm going crazy. That is one past the end. It's 0 plus 5, which is 5, and there are only 5 elements, which means 4 is the last element. 5 is one past the end, which is the thing. Don't dereference it. Okay. Array only has 5 elements. P2 has undefined value. Int star P2 equals array plus 10. So it seems that while you could make a pointer to whatever that value was, if you try and initialize a pointer using an array, you can't point it at any block of memory at all. You have to point it at a block of memory which is within the array, which is all of the values of the array and one past the end. Cool. As with iterators, subtracting 2 pointers gives us the distance between those 2 pointers. The pointers must point to elements in the same array. Auto n equals end array minus beginning array. N is 5, the number of elements in the array. Right. The result of subtracting 2 pointers is a library type named ptrdiff_t, like size_t. ptrdiff_t type is a machine specific type and is defined in the cstd_def. Oh, C standard definitions header, okay. Because subtraction might yield a negative distance, ptrdiff_t, pointer difference, course. It's assigned integral type. Okay. Assigned integral type. Assigned integral int, maybe. I mean, obviously, it's a number. Int star b equals array. Star equals array plus c, while b is less than e. Use star b, b plus plus. That's a pretty cool way of traversing an array, actually. So you make a pointer to the first value of the array. You make a pointer to the last value of the array. And while the first value is less than, or the one past the last, while the first value, while the pointer to, while the value b, wait, what? We have some pointers around here somewhere. No, I have no idea. Hang on. Int star b equals, so a pointer to the first. So to access the value in B, use star B. Okay. I thought it was the other way around. Like, did we have it? Wasn't it in string? Is it in string? No. Rona. Oh, you got the Rona here. Yeah, star IT. Oh, why can't I fucking see, man? Do I need glasses? Star IT equals 2 upper IT. See, that seems to disagree. No, it doesn't. No, it completely agrees. Star IT equals, yeah. Door. Yeah, okay, that's fine. That's fine. It's completely congruous with the rest of our understanding of pointers, which apparently is not a lot. Woo! Cannot use the relational operators on pointers to two unrelated objects. Good. Although the utility may be obscure, pointer arithmetic is valid for null pointers. Cool. Pointers that point to an object that is not an array. Yep. If p is a null pointer, we can add or subtract an integral constant expression whose value is 0 to p. We can also subtract two null pointers from each other, in which case the result is 0. Okay. Okay. Seems like that's not useful, but okay. result of adding an integral value to a pointer is itself a pointer. Assuming the resulting pointer points to an element, we can dereference the resulting pointer. Okay. I don't know why you wouldn't just put IA and then the square bracket boys. It seemed to make more sense to me. Last equals star IA plus 4, okay. Last equals 4, equivalent to IAO plus 4, okay. That's fine. Subscripts and pointers. Subscript, that's what it's called. As we've seen in most places, when we use the name of an array, we're really using a pointer to the first element of that array. One place where the compiler goes, this transformation is when we subscript an array given. Boom. If we write it IO as an expression that uses the name of the array. Interesting. Given that P1, we're on to the exercises now, section 3.5.3. Given that P1 and P2 point to elements in the same array, what does the following code do? Are there values of P1 or P2 that make this code linear? It's P1 plus equals P2 minus P1. So functionally, we're grabbing the distance between P2 and P1, and we are adding that to P1. Are there any values for which this would make the code illegal? If the distance between P1 and P2 was come to think of it, functionally, if you get P1 and you add it, this gets you brain. I'm gonna forgo the I would forgo the screen, but actually I don't have a notebook handy. Fantastic. You fall over, you lose your notebooks, you almost break a glass. So P1 plus equals P2 minus P1. So yeah, I don't want you, thank you. So the distance between P2 and P1 is added to P1. So it just makes P1 equal to P2. You get the value of P2, right? This would be illegal if I don't think it would be illegal. because they both point to valid elements in one array. One array. Yeah. Like this would never not be good, right? Unless P2 is the last element. It doesn't give you the one after P1, does it? The one after P2. It gives you the distance between them and the location of P1, and then it adds them together. It would make P1 equal to P2. That's fine. That would never not be illegal. Right? I'm starting to fucking... See, the way it's worded makes me feel like it's going to be illegal in like one case, one scenario. Oh, it would be... No, it wouldn't. I mean, it would only be illegal if P2 was not actually in the array. Oh, if no, that's fine. No, it's fine. That wouldn't. Are the values of P1 or P2 that make this code that could make this code that make this code? It's really hard to fucking brain about this. No. Actually, if theoretically, if any of them were negative, right? Because you can't have a negative subscript. No, I think it's fine. I think it's fine. You can't have negative subscripts because, yeah, P2 minus P1 might be negative, but because it's only ever the difference between P2 and P1, P1 is being added to that, it will only ever equal P2. Right? Somebody back me up here. Like, even if P1 and P2 were both 0, that's still 0 minus 0 added to 0. It's still referencing the first index of the array. And even if P2 was the last index and P1 was the 0 index, it would be the last index minus 0 added to 0. You just get the last index. It's fine. That's perfectly functional. It's perfectly fine. I like it. It would never be illegal in a scenario where the assumption that P1 and P2 both points to elements in the same array is true. Because if they did point to elements in the same array, it's a relative translation between them. And it's good. It's good. I'm sorted. My brain is happy that is correct. Using pointers, write a program to set the elements in an array to 0. Nope. Int star hub b equals Hooray. That's wrong, isn't it? How'd you get the length of a value of type unsigned int cannot be used to initialize an entity of type int? Right, mate. Is that how you do it? Right, because when you do that, it's turned into a pointer. Boy, and then a while loop. While hobby is less than c star y Is that okay? What do you mean no? Local variant in hobby start image was the initial skip to the vector. What? What? Okay, we'll do that. We'll do that after. We'll do that. Can you all just get over there a little bit? You're in the wrong area. it's get over there, you piece of shit. You pizza shit. Good slam. Ah! Moment of truth. That was unexpected. Try again, maybe. Yeah, I just wanna. I don't care. Well, I did it. It's kind of fucked, but is that a? Cool. Let's just check if that's a recurring thing. I think that may have been telling me that some good slam. Some memory was just fucked. That's cool. No, it's done it. It's done it. Look, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Runtime check failure number 2. Stat found the variable H array was corrupted. You just close this and it all, and then I don't know why there's so many zeros. So we're gonna change size of H array to the number 8, because that's what it that's the number that we should have. Fingers crossed. Warning. I have a fucking warning. Show me the goddamn warning, you mother. You mother. Here we go. Stack around the variable H array was corrupted. Huh. Okay, well, we'll try it now. It just has a static, stupid variable, which is the number 8. See, that works fine. So, yeah, size of... I'm not touching that. I'm using it wrong, obviously. So that works fine. There you go. I've used pointers. I've done the thing. I checked that it worked. Pizza cake. Write a program to compare two arrays for equality. Write a similar program to compare two vectors. Uh... I mean, good slam. It's not that hard, but you just do this. And then you compare the element and the thing. It's, right? Am I not right? Am I not completely right? Let's just can do that. 153. I'm a caveman. I don't have copy or paste. Caveman. It starts out with a tab, and then the second you put curly braces in, it deletes the fucking tab. If Stop doing that. Christ alive. Very annoying. The nesting today is just, it's getting on my nerves. That's bad. That's bad. If h array I does not equal h array 2, see out. Yo, these arrays be whack. Whack. Yo. 2 yos. Break. Broke. Yes. Yes. And it doesn't work because the values held by HRA I and HRA 2I are not ints, they are pointers to ints. Does that mean we have to dereference them or try? Yeah. No. Does that mean we have to? Does that mean we have to? This one doesn't like that. It does not like that at all. What do you mean no? Okay. Oh. Well, let's try that then. Okay. These arrays whack, yo. Nope. These arrays whack, yo. Okay, we're on page 172. You know what? I'm just gonna Google it. I'm just gonna Google it. Thank you. Thank you. You wanna fucking grab? Nothing works today. USB 3 pinout. That's exactly the website that I was looking at last. It's been a long time since it's been like, what, a month since I opened that website. Why is that? Why is that my default home page? The fuck is all this? Sony headsets? What the hell? H pointer dereferencing, no pointer dereferencing. C++ pointer access memory containing memory location pointed to by pointer asterisk is used, but pointer variable from dereferencing a pointer variable refers to a variable and pointed to, so it's called dereferencing of pointers. Okay. So at a wild gamble, fuck you. No, fuck you. You're gonna work. No, goddammit. Do you know what it is? Do you know what it is? Mate. Do you know what? Do you know what it is? Do you know what it is? I set that array. I set that array to be all zeros. Else if I is equal to h array 2 I and I is equal to 8 and what is with my tongue? Ended it all. I'm a typo machine, lad. Uh-oh. There you go. Ding dong, the arrays are identical. Ding dong. Broke. So there you go. Yeah, cool. So we wrote the program. Today's been a bit short, but you know what? I fell off my chair today, and that is where we're going to leave it. Next week, we have to look forward to C-style character strings, which are basically arrays, except instead of being arrays of integers, they are arrays of characters, which will be lovely and fun. A nice lead on from these arrays, which have been great. So yeah, hope you had fun, hope you learned something. Thank you for watching the live video. If you came to watch the live video, thank you for watching the video on demand. If you came to watch the video on demand, and as always, I will see you when I don't fall off my chair in the next episode.